वेलकम टू दी मैजिक मोमेंट्स विद अंजलि अरोड़ा। और आज हमारी गेस्ट बहुत स्पेशल हैं, बीना संगराजका जी। और शुरू करने से पहले मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी कि हमारे शो की जो टैग लाइन है वो है अनफोल्डिंग दी पैशन जर्नी। So
Right.
what is passion according to you?
Passion, according to me, is something that you have always wanted to do and always would love to do it whenever it is possible. So that is passion. And passion is normally one or two things. Everything can't be a passion. So yes, that's passion.
So what will be your passion, as you say?
My passion has always been music and games.
Oh, great.
I just got to know that during COVID I started painting. I had never in my life even once picked up a pencil or a brush to paint.
Oh, great.
And then during COVID I was sitting at home and it was just not going out because of my mother. So my daughter said, why don't you try painting? And I started painting, and then...
So you mean to say you have never thought of painting, or never you have tried it?
Never. Even my schoolwork was done by my sister.
Okay.
Yeah, I never did any painting, drawing, anything in school. So I was a sports person.
Okay.
So I only did sports, did a lot of reading, but never painting.
Means I will say, मतलब मुझे तो इनकी बातें झूठ लग रही है, पता है क्यों? क्योंकि मैंने इनके works देखे हैं. It doesn't seem like in the someone who has not picked up the pen and painting like that.
So initially when I started, you should have seen my drawings. They were pathetic. I mean, I cannot draw figure. I'm not good with figures and animals. I prefer doing abstract and floral.
Okay.
That is my forte. And then my daughter told me, why don't you at least try some more times. So she was here for 4 months.
Okay.
So I started painting and drawing. And then I thought, no, I could do better. And then I made so many paintings and drawings that she said, what are you going to do with all these? Why don't you start doing something with it? So I thought I would make stationery, or first I started just doing personalized cards for my friends and family, and then I started doing it as a hobby, and after that commercially I started doing it.
But as you said, okay, you started with scribbling, I'll say.
Yes, absolutely.
It was a scribbling.
It was a
And we
scribbling.
started
Yes.
goals with a scribbling.
Right.
Then anything you were having in mind कि मैं ये बनाकर देखती हूँ, ये बनाकर देखती हूँ, ऐसा कुछ आपने सोचा?
So I always used to like abstract and flowers.
Okay.
So I thought I would do that, and yeah, I started doing for small paintings. Then it started becoming bigger.
Okay.
Actually, my family is a family of artists.
Achha.
My mother was an artist, and my sister is an artist.
So it's there in your genes.
It's in the genes. Yes.
And you have never tried. So when you realize that कि हाँ मुझे भी आता है ये तो.
Yeah, so I could do it. And even today when I get stuck, I just pick up the phone and tell my sister that I'm stuck, I can't do this. And she'll tell me, okay, take out your colors and your brushes and we'll sit and do it together.
Oh, okay.
So we do it on Zoom then.
You said now okay, that you were a sports person. So what
Yes.
sports you used to play?
I used to play basketball.
Oh.
I used to play throw ball. I was also teaching throw ball in school when I was teaching in school. And hurdles,
How that
javelin.
came?
No, that was since childhood. I was always good at sports.
अच्छा.
So I always, and I did up to state level.
Great.
Yeah, throw ball was state level.
So you never thought of becoming a sports player in future?
No, then I got married very young, and
that is where the
everything
changing-
stopped. Yeah,
the changing
the whole
part of life.
lifestyle stopped. It was different. I was staying in a joint family.
Okay.
And my in-laws were a little conservative. They did not want me to work.
Okay.
I was also working. I was working with Women's India Trust,
Okay.
where I was doing some of that designing for them, not drawing or painting, but picking up designs and placing it on
Acha.
bed sheets and things like that. So that I was doing with Women's India Trust.
So means you were passionate about many things, but somewhere due to the responsibility you have to stop somewhere.
Yes, and then my husband passed away, so I have got two girls, and I wanted to look after them, bring them up in a good way, so I stopped doing everything for a few years.
Okay.
The only thing I did do is teach in school, because I was a literature student, so I was teaching literature, and then I was teaching also throwball and basketball.
That's great. Matlab, from the journey to sports player to the artist, it was might be very interesting and ups and downs.
Yeah, so initially painting, I really did not want to do it, but I couldn't go out, so I had to do something at home rather than just sit and while my time.
True.
So
And
I
ma'am, just say, if I talk in general, like many times it happens, as you said also, कि when women get married, sometimes in childhood also they are having restriction कि ये नहीं करना है. अच्छा, इस बात से मैं आपसे ये ज़रूर पूछूंगी, your parents had never told you कि नहीं, don't do, you are a girl, don't do the football and this and all?
No, my parents, both my parents were very not conservative, very modern.
Okay.
And both of them, for them, education and growing was very important.
True, true.
So my mother was a nurse, did her nursing, did business, she did everything. And my dad was a professor at Ferguson College
Oh.
initially.
So you were having the inspiration at home.
Yes, so that was a good.
And when we start, as I said, कि हम जब शादी कर लेते हैं, तो it is a turning point for the women. Of course, maybe it's for men also, but it happens कि हमें घर छोड़ के आना पड़ता है. तो
Yes, you are adjusting to 10 people and they are adjusting to only
just
one.
हाँ. Then also
So
they
it's
are
very
forcing-
different.
हाँ.
And our families, our Indian families are very conservative.
When it comes to
When it
in-laws.
comes to a daughter-in-law, it's different for a daughter, but it's different for a daughter-in-law.
True.
I've also done, sitting at home, I was a travel agent.
अच्छा.
So I was doing travel agency, working from home, because they didn't allow me to go to work somewhere.
But you were into
But
like कि मुझे कुछ करना.
I want to do something, so I was doing that. And I always wanted that my children never have to grow up in this sort of an atmosphere. So I thought that it would be good if they studied well and went abroad and make their life abroad, because here you get into the rat race and then
True.
you get stuck.
Especially for the females.
For the females, and I've got two girls.
Yeah.
So
means you might have मतलब आप हमेशा ऐसे सोचते होगे कि हाँ मुझे इनको free mind रखना है, they can follow their passion,
Yes.
they can do whatever they want.
exactly. And my younger one is now 32, she's not yet married. So everyone in the family says, oh, she's 32, when will
She's
she
not
get
married.
married? But everything has a time,
True.
and destiny is there, so that is good.
Now she is finally getting to. Yeah. So मैम अभी मेरे शो पर ही एक आर्टिस्ट आ चुके हैं मेल, तो बहुत बार ऐसी बातें होती है, तो उन्होंने एक स्टेटमेंट बोला था कि फीमेल्स के लिए आर्टिस्ट सरवाइव रहना इजी होता है, मेल्स के लिए नहीं रहता है. देन आई आस्क्ड द रीज़न, देन ही सेड कि जो मेल्स होते हैं उनके पास बहुत रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ होती है, उनको बाहर कमाने जाना होता है, तो उनके साथ साथ वो पेंटिंग्स करते हैं, मगर फीमेल्स के लिए कुछ नहीं, घर संभालना है और पेंटिंग करनी है. व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट इट?
I think it's very wrong, because males go to work and come back home and then they don't do anything.
They do painting.
For a female, it's a full-time 24-hour job that she's doing. Even if she's not working outside, at home there are so many things. One day you should stop doing everything and see what the male says. Oh, यहाँ गंदा क्यों है, यहाँ ये क्यों नहीं है, you know, all those sort of things. And I don't agree with, that is actually male chauvinism, which they feel that only because they are earning the money, but they can go out to earn the money, because you are looking after the house.
True.
Today, if you are also working, both of you will have to do it equally.
Right.
Then where does the question arise of them? So my brother-in-law, he's also a very good artist. He's in LA.
Okay.
More than an artist, he makes these car models and ship models and all
Okay.
that from small, very small pieces and all that. So he always encourages my sister that no, you have to first follow your passion, do your thing, and then do whatever in the house. If there's little less done in the house,
It's okay.
it's okay.
That's great.
But there are very few people who think like that. In India, it's very difficult to find people like
Right.
that because our society is like that. If somebody comes home, they feel, oh, she's only painting. She's not doing anything else. But why do they not see that there are so many things that women are doing at the same time? Looking after the children, looking after their needs, looking after the husband's needs.
Happens. मतलब बहुत बार ऐसे भी
Yes.
होता है कि जहाँ पे मेल्स काम कर रहे होते हैं तो घर वाले ही बोलने लग जाते हैं
Yeah.
कि अरे ये कर रहा है, ये नहीं कर रही है.
Exactly. So I think that it's not right.
I was contrasting that statement only to him. तो मैंने बोला because being an artist, when you draw something, you have to imagine. And imagination के लिए there is no male and female.
Yes.
आर्टिस्ट के लिए इमेजिनेशन और उतना ही कामनेस और उतना ही कंसंट्रेशन चाहिए
Exactly.
whether a male is painting or female. It's not depending upon the male and female thing.
I
over here.
agree with you.
So-
And also it depends on your mood, right?
True.
So they don't have anything else once they come home to do. So their mind is absolutely clear and they know what they want to paint. But
Right.
when we have to do it, sometimes you're so tired, you are not in the mood to do painting. You just, even if you have the thoughts, but the mood for painting should come.
Right, that energy.
That energy has to be there. For example, I've been trying to paint since the last 10 days.
Okay.
And I'm just not, I bring out the paper, I bring out the colors, I do everything. But when I sit down, I am blank. I can't paint. So it also depends on everybody's mood. You are tired, you are not in the mood. But men, when they come home, they are more relaxed. And
कि अभी हो गया घर.
हो गया
सीधा
काम,
अपने-
अभी I don't have anything else to do.
So I have to do this only.
Yes.
That's nice. And that is true also कि many times I understand कि आप बाहर जाके काम करते हैं, कमाते हैं, but it happens कि जब फीमेल्स होती हैं उनमें बहुत सारे हम लोग के थॉट्स भी रहते हैं कि हम लोग का ये आने वाला
ये
है, वो
बाकी
आने वाला
है,
वो
वो,
बाकी.
yes, exactly. So yeah,
It happens.
it happens.
So आपका point of view अलग होगा, maybe not because we are females. लगता है कि एक बार ऐसे रोल प्ले करना चाहिए.
It's true.
Let me, shift
Yeah.
the duties.
But now things are changing.
Yeah, it is.
And men are becoming more considerate towards women. They understand women more. So it's becoming better. Definitely.
That's nice.
Yeah.
I'm also happy being a mother of the daughters. Okay. Now the things are changing. So she will get the change. Not
Right.
like us.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. When talking about the art, now I will say you are a self-taught and you are having that talent in your genes, and but you have never tried. तो अभी जैसे you make these ये जो है ना यहाँ पर पड़ा है, ये भी इन्होंने ही डिजाइन किया है, and it's very minute work. मतलब इतना छोटा छोटा आपने करना जब स्टार्ट किया तो कोई तो इंस्पिरेशन होगा जो आपने सोचा कि yes I want to do this.
No, so I basically have an OCD.
Okay.
So whatever I do, I want it done properly. I mean, if one line goes haywire, I can't.
To start again.
I'll start again.
So that you can see the hard work in the artworks she makes, and even now you are starting with the painting, wall paintings.
Yes, I'm starting with wall painting.
So what we should expect in that?
I'm going to start with paper, and not very big, small ones, and then I will I think then I'll think about it as it goes
And now
on.
the time has come कि अभी आपकी जो एक और last responsibility थी वो भी खत्म हो रही है, तो now you are free to do.
Then I'm free to do whatever I want and wherever I want.
Yes, true.
Yes.
And even ऐसे होता है बहुत बार कि एक आर्टिस्ट जब कुछ स्टार्ट करता है then जैसे आप जिससे करते हैं, आपने जब पेंटिंग स्टार्ट की तो आपने ऐसे सोचा था कि मुझे ये मीडियम पे करना है या ये मीडियम पे करना है?
No,
कि आपने ऐसे कुछ मार्केट रिसर्च किया कि ये ज़्यादा लोगों को अच्छा है something?
nothing of that sort. I started with poster colors, and then my sister insisted that I do some watercolors. Watercolors is one of the most difficult mediums.
हाँ.
So I did lots of things with watercolors which went to waste.
Okay.
Because the colors would change, there would be a blob, there would be
Shading part
something
is very difficult.
shading, and you know, as soon as it dries up and you even if you overcoat it, it still doesn't get the same effect.
Yeah, true.
So with watercolors, it's a difficult medium, but I think some of the designs that come out with watercolors are far much more superior than poster colors. Or I've not done oil paint yet. But I'm planning to do that in a bit.
Yeah, and even the things you are making, like you are doing the merchandise things, और बहुत सारे. तो how was the challenge that you faced when you started exhibiting? Because many times it happens, अरे ये तो एक यही चीज़ तो है, टेबल पे ही तो रखना है. तो वैसे comments भी आपने सुने होंगे.
So आज भी even today, it's not appreciated like artwork. People think, oh, this is something that you get in the market everywhere, anytime. And frankly speaking, the work that I do is very minute. But today I'm not getting any money for the work that I'm doing. It's all what goes into it. Like you have to scan the picture, you have to get it printed, pasted, lots of things. And that only costs a lot of money.
Right.
So if I think about it, I'm not making money, but I'm enjoying myself, so I'm going to carry on doing it.
Yeah, and I will tell you audience कि जो ये चीज़ें use करती है, you use the best quality. मतलब बहुत बार ऐसे होता है कि हम सोचते हैं कि अरे इसमें इतना फ़ायदा नहीं हो रहा है, let me compromise the costing. And yes. I don't think so. You have compromised the cost anywhere.
No, I don't. I don't like to compromise on the paper that and even when you are working on a paper. If the paper is not good quality, you cannot work with it.
True.
And also what I'm giving to somebody, like the cards that I make, I use the best quality of paper for everything. I don't compromise on that.
और वही बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. जैसे अभी देखिए हम किसी को कुछ गिफ्ट कर रहे हैं, हम सोचते हैं कि चलो ये दे दिया वो दे दिया, वी मेक द एनवलप्स एंड गिव मनी एंड ऑल, जो शगुन देते हैं. तो इनकी एनवलप्स ही इतने खूबसूरत है ना कि लोग वैसे सोचते हैं कि अरे कितने पैसे होंगे अंदर, किसने कितना दिया होगा. मगर फर्स्ट द वे ओपन द एनवलप एंड वो जो एक आता है ना, सेम आई हैव डन ऑल्सो. मतलब मैंने मैम से एनवलप्स लिए थे जब, तो हमने जब मैंने भी अपने रिश्तेदारों को गिफ्ट किया तो वैसे ये एनवलप्स कहाँ से लिए. तो वो एक क्वेश्चन, मतलब मोस्टली सबको पता है कि वो मिलते हैं मार्केट में नॉर्मल डिजाइन. तो ये इट्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. दिस वाज द कमेंट व्हेन आई आल्सो गिवन द मनी फर्स्ट टू समवन. तो दे वर लाइक कि हाँ ये बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है कि यू आर एन आर्ट प्रमोटर. तो आपका ये भी है. मैंने हाँ, बिकॉज आई एम हैविंग अ ग्रेट आर्टिस्ट हु वर्क्स फॉर दिस आल्सो. एंड इवन व्हाट आर योर प्लान्स? अभी आपने सोचा है कि आप A4 साइज से स्टार्ट करेंगे पेंटिंग योर.
राइट.
तो अभी तो वैसे तो कहते हैं पेंटिंग कम्स विद द इमेजिनेशन. देन आल्सो आप एब्स्ट्रैक्ट करने वाले हैं, फ्लोरल्स करने वाले हैं.
I'm going to do both abstract and florals, but slowly I want to get into also maybe birds, or I am doing butterflies.
Okay.
But I'm not doing too many birds because
much realistic. You want to start.
I want to start more with nature. Maybe I would have to take some training for that. But I don't mind doing that.
So you are having any teacher in mind कि इनसे मैं सीख सकती हूँ?
My sister.
हाँ, you are having a teacher.
I have a sister who is a teacher. She teaches art in the US. She teaches small children,
so that's the best part.
That's the best.
You have a inspiration at home itself.
Right.
So in school, whether you were good in drawing?
No.
स्कूल में भी सब्जेक्ट होता है हमारा, साइंस में भी बनाने होते हैं.
We had drawing. So my drawings, I used to get the worst marks because I was not good at drawing, and whatever artwork we were supposed to do at home, I would make my sister do it because I could not do it. I didn't. I think I was more towards inclined towards literature, history, geography. So I wasn't very much into the art.
So you never thought of writing, penning?
So I do write a little bit, but not. I do some penning, but not just for myself.
So it can be like someday will come when you think of writing your journey.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind writing my journey if it would be helpful to somebody.
Of course.
But then I would think of writing it, but otherwise I'm not a person who likes to exhibit too much of what I do.
So how you will define Beena then? In 3 words, if I say.
Beena is courageous. She is passionate and emotional. all three.
Courageous, passionate and emotional.
Yes.
So all in one है ये तो personality.
No, it's not.
Because see this, for doing something we need courage.
Yeah.
ठीक है? Emotions are to be there when we care for each other. And
Yes.
all. And third one you said passion.
Passion.
Passion is what makes us do everything.
Everything.
So it is all in one.
Thank you.
So ma'am, when you started with the journey of art, so which was your first exhibition?
My first exhibition was a general exhibition at Nehru Center, which was actually not the right exhibition to take part in,
Okay.
because there were people who were coming to buy things, but they didn't appreciate art.
It
So
was like
it was like a general. It
was
was like a general exhibition where you get everything, and people thought, "What is this rubbish?" They thought,
इसकी क्या
this is,
जरूरत है?
yeah, there is no need for this, and they didn't appreciate it. So I was a little put off. So that was a bad exhibition to take part in. But that is where I met you, and then I started my journey, which was excellent. I've enjoyed working with you, and I'm really enjoying working with you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes.
And means real artistic journey वहाँ से start हुई.
Yes.
ऐसे बहुत बार होता है मैम. Actually, I also meet some artists. They say कि अरे मेरा first exhibition कोई बोलता है कि बहुत अच्छा गया यहाँ था.
Right.
Because there are many good exhibitions. as
Yes.
well. और कोई जैसे आपने कहा कि आपका experience अच्छा नहीं रहा. Because it happens because of कि we are not knowing about कि कौन से exhibitions अच्छे हैं and all.
और उसमें क्या?
हाँ, और उसमें क्या है, किस तरह का, बिकॉज वेन यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट आर्ट इट शुड बी रिलेटेड टू आर्ट. ऐसे होते हैं मैम, इवन इंटीरियर्स के भी एग्जीबिशंस होते हैं, मगर दे ऑल्सो कीप अ सेपरेट सेक्शन जहाँ पे डेकोर, आर्ट, ये सब चीज़ें रखी जाती हैं. तो वहाँ पे आर्ट का बोलते हैं ना, जो एक जस्टिस है वो होना बहुत ज़रूरी है.
Right. So even in the art exhibitions, I think because I'm making merchandise, stationery more, so it's not so much appreciated like the
As a
other
painting or
as a
something.
painting.
हाँ.
But then people come and buy because it is not as expensive as a painting.
हाँ. तो they think कि
So
चलो
they
कुछ
think
the
कुछ
token
तो
of-
लेके जावे,
हाँ, कि
and they will come and pick it up, but not really appreciating it. There are very few people who appreciate the art and they buy it.
लेकिन मैंने देखा है कि जैसे होता है, जैसे पेंटिंग के लिए जब बात होती है, दे ऑलवेज से अरे ये तो इट इज अ लग्जरियस थिंग, इसको तो करके क्या मतलब, ये तो मैं ले ही नहीं सकता हूँ.
Right.
देन दे गो फॉर मर्केंडाइज. बट आई विल से कि मर्केंडाइज जो है ना वो बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेंडिंग होता है. आई विल टेल यू व्हाई. बिकॉज मेनी टाइम्स कॉर्पोरेट्स हंट फॉर सम थिंग्स विच इज डिफरेंट एवरी ईयर.
Right.
उनका जो सेल्स डिपार्टमेंट होता है, लाइक आई कीप ऑन मीटिंग द कॉर्पोरेट्स, तो उनको सेल्स डिपार्टमेंट में ऐसा होता है कि उनको कुछ ना कुछ नया अपने बॉस को दिखाना है.
Right.
जहाँ पे वो बोल सके कि देखिए सर ये बहुत अच्छा लगेगा एज अ गिफ्ट पर्पस और समथिंग.
Right.
इवन एज यू डू द कार्ड्स, अभी जो बीना जी कार्ड्स भी बनाती हैं उसमें भी इतना आर्टिस्टिक टच है ना, कि एक चीज जब आप किसी को दो याद रह जाए, दैट इज व्हाट मैटर्स व्हेन यू आर गिफ्टिंग समवन,
Right.
and that role is played by your works, and it is like appreciable about it.
Yeah, it's true, and I'm enjoying it, and I'm not going to stop this work for anything. I mean, even if nobody buys it, I think I'm enjoying doing it, and I can gift it or whatever.
Yes, yes.
But I feel that these are some things that everybody needs every day.
True, it is.
And like things like envelopes and cards, and everybody needs it.
एंड इवन हम लोग कभी किसी को कुछ होता है ना, कोई
Gifting
आया
देते
है
हैं।
हम लोग के पास, हम एज अ ग्रेटिट्यूड कुछ थैंक यू कार्ड दे दिया,
Right.
तो इवन ही दे लव इट, उनको अच्छा लगता है. मैंने मैम से लिए थे थैंक यू कार्ड, हम जब हमारी पेंटिंग्स भी जाती तो हम उसमें लगा देते हैं. क्या फायदा है कि एक तो आपका थैंक यू कार्ड गया, वो उन्होंने देखा कि मेरे ये लेने के बाद इन्होंने मुझे ये भी एक आर्ट वर्क दिया. सेकेंडली आप अपने ब्रांड की प्रमोशंस कर सकते हो. उस थैंक यू कार्ड में आप अपना नंबर लिख दीजिए, बिकॉज आप किसी को नंबर मांग नहीं सकते कस्टमर से, तो उस थैंक यू कार्ड में आप अपना स्टैम्प लगा दीजिए या अपना ब्रांडिंग कर लीजिए. दैट ऑल्सो एड्स टू योर बिजनेस.
Right.
सो इट इज़ वेरी यूजफुल फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू पीपल. आई थिंक सो.
That's right.
आर्ट के लिए अगर आप 10 बार सोच रहे हैं तो मर्केंडाइज के लिए तो इट इज अ इन्वेस्टमेंट विच यू आर डूइंग फॉर योर बिजनेस इटसेल्फ.
Yeah, so recently I've started getting orders uh, for weddings. So as gifting,
Yes.
people want cards, people want envelopes, and then the bride and the groom always want thank you cards.
Of
So
course.
to write a note to everyone thanking them for coming. So I've started getting a little more orders than before, where it goes out of the country, and it's getting promoted slowly.
That's nice.
And through you, I'm getting a lot of promotions. I think a lot of my stuff is getting promoted because of you, Anjali.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, it's nice
It's my
to.
duty.
Yeah.
And even I know when I talk about the merchandise part with them, तो उनका सीधा ना नहीं आता है. They say हाँ this is something different. तो आप तो सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड हैं वैसे ही, मतलब युवा इन्होंने सोच के रखा कि रुकना नहीं है, वही तुम कुछ भी बोलते रहो, है ना.
Right.
एंड मैम
Yes.
रुकिएगा भी मत, बिकॉज नाउ वी आर गोवा गैलरी इज वेटिंग टू सी योर पेंटिंग्स.
Yeah.
एंड इवन मैं आपको मैम जैसे हमारे यहाँ पे जब आपका इंटरव्यू रिलीज होगा सब लेडीज देखेंगी जो हाउसवाइफ्स हैं, या ऐसे ही होता है ना कि जैसे आपने भी कहा था कि
Yes.
कहीं पे रुक जाती है, अपनी पैशन को छोड़ देती है.
Yes.
तो उनके लिए आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
I think everybody should try and follow their passion, and women today do get at least a little bit of time where they can do whatever. It may be music, it may be dancing, it may be whatever you want to. I think all women should have their passion and follow it, because that will also inspire their children, girls especially, and also encourage them.
यस. और कहीं ना कहीं हमें अपने बच्चों को भी सीख देनी है, चाहे वो बेटियां हो या बेटे हो, उन्हें भी हमें सीख देनी है कि पैशन को फॉलो करते रहें. You should not get losted in life, you know.
Yeah.
You should be having your own me time, own your me passion. Just because हम कितना भी बोले बच्चे मोबाइल से सीख रहे हैं, कर रहे हैं, वो कर रहे हैं, मगर
No.
वो अपने माँ बाप से भी बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं. अगर आप एक फ्रीली अपना पैशन फॉलो कर रहे हो, they will also take that motivation.
That is true. All the children, I've got 2 girls, and both are abroad, but both of them have started their following their passion much more now than they were before. So that is, I think, parents are the first inspiration for all children.
True, true. So ma'am, how do you felt on our show?
Very encouraged, and thank you very much for the show.
I can
Thank
see
you.
the emotions on ma'am's face, and really it was honor of me also and my team that you have shared your journey. And कहीं ना कहीं एक हमें भी मोटिवेशन मिलता है कि जब हम
Yes.
बात करते हैं तो कि हमें yes we have to keep going.
Yes, everybody should keep moving and growing.
Yeah.
That is the most important in life.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for being on the show.
Thank you. Thank you.